In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to change the currency on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open NinjaTrader and let's place an order.
Order filled.
As you can see, the currency is US dollar here. Okay.
Order
So if you want to
filled.
change it, you have to go to this one, Control Center. Okay. As you can see, we have here US dollar. Okay. Now right click on Edit Account and go to denomination, this one. Click on it and choose the currency you want. So for me, I will choose, for example, euro. So click on euro and click on OK. Now you have to disconnect your account. So click on connection and click on disconnect. And now click on simulation again to reconnect. As you can see, now we have here the euro. Okay. Now let's go back to our chart. Let's place an order.
Order filled.
As you can see, we have the euro here, as you can see, and click
Order filled.
and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.